Benefits of whey protein. In recent years, the subject of whey protein has come up often in health discussions. Know what whey protein is, its possible benefits and side effects, and more as you read on. What is whey protein? Whey protein is actually a term used to describe a group of globular proteins that can be separated from whey. When cow's milk is used to manufacture cheese, it also leads to the production of whey, which may or may not be discarded. It is a mixture of lactoglobulin, alpha-lactalbumin and serum albumin. Similar to protein found in egg white, whey protein can also be irreversibly changed by heat. When made part of the pasteurization process, it becomes less bioactive. If not, whey protein naturally becomes bioactive, which basically means it contains a high concentration of cysteine and consequently glutathione, an antioxidant that is essential to improved fitness and health. Bioactive whey protein is an active source for protein, but exposure to extreme heat can easily reduce the amount of cysteine in it without affecting its protein content and basic food value. Native whey protein. What makes it good for the body? Because whey protein contains an inordinate amount of essential and non-essential acids, it frequently plays a prominent role in most low-carb and high-protein diets. Another reason for this is because of its low content of fats and, of course, carbohydrates. Why pregnant mothers love whey protein? A number of OBs have advised their gravid patients to increase their intake of whey protein because it will provide the basic amount of amino acids needed by the growing infants inside their bodies. An increased intake of whey protein will naturally improve and speed up the development of the baby. Also, increased intake of whey protein will indirectly improve the immune system of the baby. In its growing stages, it is highly vulnerable to different types of illnesses. With the help of whey protein, it grows faster and better and more equipped to defend itself against any health complication. Whey protein for bodybuilding enthusiasts. For bodybuilders, muscle growth is everything, and that's why they love whey protein so much. Studies have satisfactorily proven that whey protein can lead to acceleration of muscle development. This is welcomed news, especially for bodybuilders who are only a few weeks away from the date of competition but is still in high need of muscle growth. How it helps athletes busy recovering from old injuries. In this case, whey protein saves the day once more because it can be used to supplement diets of individuals who are suffering from compromised immune systems. Basically, it helps athletes heal faster and feel better. A weapon against degenerative diseases. Although you can't truly say that any disease is less painful than the other if both have life-altering consequences, it is an inarguable fact, however, that degenerative diseases are one of the worst health complications to suffer from. These illnesses tend to subject people to a protracted form of suffering and with symptoms with increasing levels of severity. They commonly affect three systems in particular: the nervous system, the muscular system and the skeletal system. Although rarely curable, degenerative diseases can be treated through chemotherapy, surgical operations and the proper diet. Whey protein is often a part of this diet because of its rehabilitative benefits, especially when it comes to muscle growth. Cancer, diabetes and AIDS have symptoms that causes muscle strength and growth to deteriorate, an undesirable effect that can be combated with increased intake of whey protein. Where to buy whey protein? Are you sufficiently convinced of the benefits of whey protein then? If so, you should be happy to know that you can avail of commercial whey protein product in most supermarkets and specialty food stores specializing in healthy food. Ending with a warning: whey protein is good for the body, no doubt about it, but too much consumption of anything is never beneficial. Too much intake of whey protein can lead to unnecessary complications of your liver. And need we remind you that the liver is the next most important organ in the body? Lastly, lactose-intolerant individuals must consume whey protein isolate rather than the normal variety, as the former has less lactose content.